Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my lecture session. In this session, we would be learning about Niti Aayog. Now, let's take a look at the beginning of Niti Aayog. Actually, our government had set up the Planning Commission of India to supervise the 5-year plans which were meant for the economic development of our country. Now, the 65-year-old Planning Commission of India was replaced with Niti Aayog in 2015. So thus, Niti Aayog was born. It is referred to as the think tank of our government of India. This was basically established in order to better serve the needs and aspiration of the people of our country. It is actually regarded as an important evolutionary change from the past. Niti Aayog acts as the quintessential platform of the Government of India to bring states to act together in national interest and thereby foster cooperative federalism. Niti Aayog stands for the National Institution for Transforming India, also called as Niti Aayog, was formed via a resolution of the Union Cabinet on January 1st, 2015. It is referred to as the think tank of the Government of India, providing both directional and policy inputs. While designing strategic and long-term policies and programs for the Government of India, Niti Aayog also provides relevant technical advice to the center and the states. Now let's see some of the major areas where Niti Aayog operates. We can actually divide the areas of operation of Niti Aayog into 4 major types. Designing strategic long-term policy and program framework, monitoring and evaluation of this strategic policy and framework of our country. It also aims towards cooperative federalism in the sense that it supports the initiatives of the states as it recognizes the fact that a stronger state means stronger nation. And it also works in the area of think tank, knowledge and innovation hub of our country. Now let's take a look at the composition of Niti Aayog. The Governing Council of Niti Aayog consists of Prime Minister as its chairman, with the chief ministers of all states and lieutenant governors in the case of union territories. The chairperson of Niti Aayog is our Honorable Prime Minister of our country. The vice chairperson as of the year 2021 is Dr. Rajiv Kumar. Some of the major objectives of Niti Aayog can be stated as fostering cooperative federalism. So it actually works towards the active involvement of states, formulation of plans at village level and aggregation of this to the higher levels. It gives special attention to sections at risk of not benefiting adequately from the economic progress. Economic policy that incorporates national security interests, feedback for constant innovative improvements, partnerships with national and international think tanks, creating a knowledge, innovation, and entrepreneurial support system. It serves as a platform for resolution of intersectoral and interdepartmental issues. It provides state-of-the-art resources center for research on good governance. It focuses on technology upgradation and capacity building. Now, the 7 pillars of Niti Aayog, they play a very important role in establishing the existence of Niti Aayog. These 7 pillars on which Niti Aayog rests are pro-people policy, pro-activity, participation, empowering, inclusion of all, equality, and transparency. Let's take a quick look at what these 7 pillars are about. These 7 pillars are meant for effective governance. Its pro-people policy aims to fulfill the aspirations of the society as well as the individuals in it. Its pro-activity policy is focused on anticipation and response to citizen needs. Its participation role involves every citizen in the country of India. Its empowering role empowers especially women in all aspects. Inclusion of all. It focuses on inclusion of all people, irrespective of their caste, creed, and gender, be it OBC, SC, ST, or be it a Garib or a Kisan. It focuses on inclusion of all into our country and their development. In its equality role, it works towards providing equal opportunity to all, especially the youth. Its transparency policy focuses on making the government visible and responsive. So thus we see the 7 pillars on which Niti Aayog rests works towards the economic development of every sector in our country. In conclusion, we can say that Niti Aayog means a group of people that the government entrusts for formulating and regulating policies concerning the transformation of India. A commission that assists the government in both social and economic issues. It is an institution with experts. It is a body that actively monitors and evaluates the implementation of the government's programs and initiatives. No wonder Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India, is regarded as the think tank of our country. So that brings us to the end of our session. Thank you for being with me.